two, not the two. Colleen has a quick picture. Try. She's cute. This kid, that's cute. What's that? Oh, sweet bit, a flower. Yes, a sweet bit, I think.
I misinterpreted the name of that tree. I thought I saw the Sweet Bay like logo next to it or something. They have like a cornucopia.
What the hell is it? Brandon loves Survivor, man. Brandon does. I just had to listen until your loud stomping scared it. Hey, Dad, I was kind of hungry as a kid, so.
Alright.
Like, where's the food?
I don't know, you'll have to look through the bag.
Or not my microphone. I can't wait.
Here, hold the camera and I'll get out what your choices are. Okay? You have to stop it and we'll look? Does it make a difference if you just stop the tape or just stop here or?
I'm good to stop here.
I feel like get upset. That's why I'm like asking all these questions. This thing?
This one, question.
This? And I take it out of the bag that's in the bag?
And I'm trying to make some boxing that.
Huh?
Or can you film while I eat?
Yeah, I will. That's what I'm saying. Just either, like, if you want to leave it rolling, whatever. You just, like, pause for a second. You can both get settled and be on our merry way. Let me see this chips.
This one. Anything, any wildlife, there's from it.
Of course.
I don't stop the camera because only stop and record again when this is 15 minutes and 20 seconds.
I just want to reiterate that we have video editing equipment, so all that stuff is not necessary. You could, like, after you record, you could change all that stuff and not worry so much on exact times and all that.
Okay. I'm eating and our dad has a camera. You can actually stop to that.
What?
You can go stop.
Oh, thank you. Kind every once in a while.
I'm going to camera right now and done eating.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm eating. Is it working? Something. That's for something. Right there. Lizard. Darn it. I'm gonna have finally sunny again, huh? Finally sunny. You know which pocket the water is in? I can get it. Doesn't you know which pocket?
The what?
Water. I can get
Oh,
it.
I got it. It's in that pocket. Can you reach at the bottom? Snapping turtles.
Oh, I need to open it. How about folks? Huh?
Open it with your teeth, man. Treat your teeth right. Don't do stupid stuff with your teeth.
Okay.
No matter how drunk you get in college, never do stupid stuff with your teeth.
Okay. Very good.
Take a swig off that. Yeah. How's that hydration feel?
Excuse me. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go. Excuse me, folks. Sorry. I was like, oh, excuse me.
eco-friendly caps.
I want to know the bomb cats are all that. I want to say a bomb cat. They are here.
No, I guess that scat we saw couldn't have been a bobcat.
It is.
There wasn't any fur in it, so a bobcat's a carnivore straight up.
No pets all out here. Hey, pets are all out here. Pets all out here, so. Pets all.
They're friendly.
Okay.
They're babies.
Come on, you gotta share the road. Lily says, hey!
Get over on this side, Ben.
Come on. They won't hurt you. Especially this one. He's scared to death of people. But he likes you for some reason.
They can make sure so fun. You're not a big chub. See, remember this thing up here?
I've never been here before.
Yeah.
I know that power plant, but I've never been here before.
You know the power plant?
Yeah. Well, I think I know it.
I
think of where we are.
It's a prairie.
I don't know that power plant. Can't be FPL. I don't know that power plant.
So
No,
yeah,
definitely never been
West
there
Prairie. This is West Prairie.
For sure, before we came here, but
Yeah, possibly.
quite a sight.